Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate 99 Nights in the Forest deer in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the deer looks like and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. Alright, first of all guys, you can put on all these items. Wait, I'm going to show you the color code. Just start from this jeans. You're going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then for the texture make it leather, and then this top from the curves item, and then you're going to make it to look too, and then you're going to color it with this color, and then this item, this is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP you can skip this item, and then you're going to make it the same color, and this skirt you're going to choose top only and apply the same brown color, and this boot from the pedal update you're going to make it make it brown. Okay, and then you're going to put on this fur hat, and I'm going to show you the adjustment, but wait, I'm going to color it brown first. Okay, this one. Okay guys, this is the adjustment for the fur hat. For the position, rotate, and then scale. And then the next one, we're going to go to this area and you're going to put on this hat. For the color, just leave it like that, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment. You can copy this adjustment from the position, rotate, and then scale. And then the next one, you're going to put on this earring for making the nose, and then I'm going to make it black, and then you can do adjustment. This is the adjustment for the nose, position, rotate, and then scale. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this cat ears, and I'm going to make it brown for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this guys. Okay, and let's move to the next area. We're going to put on this earmark, and then you're going to do this adjustment. Alright, this is the adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and also scale. And I'm going to put on this item as well, this one, and then you're going to color it all black, and you can follow my adjustment. Wait, let me show you. You can adjust it like this, position, rotate, and also scale. And the next one, you're going to put on this eye mask to create the mouth, and you're going to apply this color for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to make it this color. Then we're going to do adjustment. Alright, for the mouth guys, you can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. And the last one, you're going to go to the VIP room and you're going to put on this item, this one, and then I'm going to color it black for all the selection, and then you can adjust it guys. For the adjustment, wait, you can adjust it like this, position, rotate, and then scale. Alright, and finally this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate 99 Nights in the Forest deer. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!